Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan and this is what we're gonna make today. Creamy Chicken Kebab Pizza. First we're gonna start with a pre-made dough. You know this one, it's really delicious. Now some cheddar cheese. Just a little bit. Some delicious red onions. I really like the taste of red onions. Now the pre-made chicken kebab. And I put a lot on it because I like chicken kebab. And you can do it with lamb meat or other kinds of delicious meat. But I like chicken. I had this leftover Marscapone tomato sauce. It's really delicious. And I'm gonna put it on. That will give it a really creamy taste. Now my favorite cheese. Chili cheddar Gouda cheese. And I put a lot on it. It's so good. You really need to try it. Now some more red onions. Because, well, red onions. It's ready for the oven. And I preheated the oven. It will go in for about 12 to 15 minutes on 200 degrees. Now, look at that. A beautiful, creamy, cheesy chicken kebab pizza. Isn't that a lazy one? I really like it. I hope you do too. Now let's get a piece of this. Now let's try this. I really look forward to this. Now look at that cheese ball. Delicious. Looks really good and it smells amazing. That really was a delicious pizza. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the pizza. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill.